Amid growing concerns over artificial intelligence displacing jobs, the Department of Science and Technology is pushing a different approach, one that positions AI as a tool for inclusive growth, not replacement. At the center of this effort is the National Artificial Intelligence Center for Research and Innovation, or NICRI, envisioned as the country's hub for AI research, advanced computing, and technology development. But beyond innovation, its core mission is clear: to make AI accessible especially for micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs.
Yung National AI Center for Research and Innovation, it is the strategic response of the OST in terms of accelerating AI adoption in the Philippines. It includes the development ecosystem, usually software, and particularly hardware. Kasi po ngayon, it's really expensive to do research on AI.
Unlike large corporations with access to expensive AI systems, many local businesses and startups often lack the resources to develop or even subscribe to these technologies. Nike seeks to bridge that gap by co-developing AI solutions tailored to their needs.
For example, baka ang kailangan pala ay, for example, for customer engagement, kailangan pala nila ng chatbot or AI agent to respond to the queries of their customers. Then ibig sabihin, yung common framework for that, we will co-develop with them for their particular use.
But as AI continues to raise fears of job displacement, the DOST maintains that Nike's projects are designed to be low risk, meaning they support workers rather than replace them.
In fact, ang stance namin or yung perspective namin is that, of course, AI should be treated as an assisted tool for decision making, but more importantly, ang gusto nating inculcate is yung ethical and responsible use of AI.
From its initial base in Metro Manila, Nike is also looking beyond urban centers. With plans to establish regional hubs, the DOST aims to bring AI support closer to provincial and rural businesses.
So we intend to go to the regions with the help of the DOST regional offices. Now, once we've listened to the MSMEs, particularly in the rural, for example, then we are able to prioritize, probably cluster. We assume that there will be commonality in terms of needs.
Still, the agency clarifies that its role is limited to co-development, leaving businesses responsible for scaling their own solutions. Currently, Nike is working with government agencies on practical AI applications.
Philippine Textile Research Institute, or PTRI. So we are developing an AI model to detect the quality of fabrics. We are also collaborating with FPRDI